Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with accessory chrome package with accessory chrome on the hood, chrome door handle inserts, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera and sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 54,343 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.